Hi, this how-to video is on how to complete your current event portfolio. So every 3 weeks, or if you're taking the 6-week course, it's every week you are doing a current event. And once you have your 5 current events done, you can find the form, the current event information and form in both the module folders and the About This Course folder. So you can find it in this folder and in the About This Course folder. But once you have all 5 of them done, you will put them in one file. So if you have to, you can copy and paste so they're all in one file. If you cannot collect in a file and send it to, I will allow multiple documents. I just prefer it to be one file. Basically, you'll have current event 1 and then the article that goes with it. If you need the article, if you put the direct link in the form, you don't need the article, but I have to be able to go to the article. Remember, the articles have to be a minimum of 300 words, not your summary, but the article itself needs to be a minimum of 300 words. And then you do this for each one. And once you have all 5 of them done, that's it. You should just turn them in. So some people like to get this done the first week of school. I mean, it's just like, and if you need me to open the Dropbox for you, just let me know. Make sure you are choosing current events. Current, I'm going to say, is in with 2 weeks of the date that you actually did it. You cannot choose something that happened back in history in 1776. You cannot choose something that happened a year ago. That's not current. So make sure you're choosing current events, things that are happening right now. And because this is, if you're doing this for government, then you want it to be articles related to what's happening in government. If you're doing this for U.S. history, you want to have things to do with what's happening in the United States right now, and that includes government. So make sure you are choosing current things that are going on in our country. Bye-bye.